We are starting our next video in which we are starting our chapter 6 staffing. The meaning and the definition of staffing. We are introducing the chapter staffing. The success of any organization does not depend upon the physical or financial resources, but it depends upon the utilization of these resources by a human resource. It means staffing is a function. After planning and organizing, we are starting planning. In planning, we make only the plan for the future, which are achieved with the help of the organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. But after planning, there is a need of the organization or organizing the people, organizing the work into the different department and creating the job position of the workers, how many people are required in the different department that can be selected in the organization. After organization, there is a need of the people who are working in the organization, because without the working of the people, any organization who have a financial resource as much as the good machinery, but as the good peoples are not there, the organization cannot be achieve its goal. So we are requiring the good staff for the vacant posts which are in the organization. That's why there is a need of the staffing function. So hard-working, efficient people are the most important assets of the organization. It means the people who are working in the organization, they are assets for the organization. They are not the labor, they are not the worker of the organization. They are the assets of the organization who develop and who create the wealth of the organization for their efficient working for the development of the organization. The key of the success of any organization is right person at the right job position. While in the staffing function, we are selecting a right person for the right job. That's why the staffing process is required. Staffing function is concerned with bringing right and efficient people in the organization who perform the work in their job position for the development of the organization. So, after that, we are defining the meaning of staffing. After planning and organizing, the next function of management is to perform staffing function. Through staffing function, manager follow all the job created by organizing function. Because there are number of job positions required in the staffing, from the top level to the lower level, there are different staffing peoples are required. So with the help of that staffing, we are selecting for the posts which are vacant in the organization, we are selecting the best candidate among them. Staffing have been described as a managerial function of filling and keeping filled position in the organization structure. This is achieved by identifying number of employees required, followed by the recruitment, selection, placement, promotion, appraisal and development of personnel to fill the roles designed in the organizational structure. After the meaning, we are going through the next topic, the definition of staffing. Staffing is nothing. Staffing is selecting the best and the appropriate candidate, in which we are selecting or stimulating the people for the vacant post. We want to be fill up the more and the more people fill the application in the organization for the vacant post. So we have selecting the best candidate. That is the process of, that is a way of staffing. That's why we are selecting the best candidate among the number of applications received by the seekers of job. So it is only stimulating the people to select, to fill up the post, and the number of applications are there, and we have a chance to select the best candidate among the number of applications. So the definition of staffing, the managerial function of staffing involves, in this the definition is shown in the board, in which The managerial function of staffing involves managing the organization structure through people and effective selection, appraisal and development of personnel to fill the role designed into the structure. It means it is a managerial function, and the function which are done by the manager, they are selecting the best and the appropriate candidate for the vacant post. So it is a staffing involves managing the organizational structure or filling the vacant post in the organization. Thank you and have a nice day.